Hey, this is Rama from Creation Landscape Designs. First off, apologies for the noise. One of the neighbors is doing construction at their house. Anyway, I wanted to show you this turf rebate project in Lake Forest. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, some art, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alright, let's do this. And there's my client, Poppy. Aww. So for this project, we only did the backyard. We left both side yards as is. The pavers that we used here are Belgard. I can't recall the color, but I will put it in the description of the video. Now we did deviate somewhat from the plan because we decided to build this wall to retain the soil, which worked out well. So the layout of the decomposed granite path changed somewhat. And the plant palette we used here is some Calliophis hartwigii syndrops, woolly blue curls. There's a Baja bush snapdragon way in the back, and a version of Cleveland sage that I all of a sudden can't recall the name of, but I do like that the leaf color is somewhat different. We kept the existing trees. Now, what we also did is put in Carapia in plug format here. And the idea is that the Carapia, which is also here and back there, will fill in and create a space for my client to hang out. In here, there's bulbs that have been planted, and this bed contains carrots and faba beans and other veggies. And then for this turf rebate project, the sustainability feature is this kind of swale situation, and we put Siskiyou blue fescue, so it's a planted swale, and we just use larger rocks instead of smaller ones. And also the decomposed granite path is meant for my client to run around, as she loves to run around and play out here. We also reused the existing pots that the homeowners had and replaced the rotted wooden shelf that was here with this, so it worked out. I will put a link to the Municipal Water District of Orange County Turf Rebate program in the description of the video for anyone that's interested in applying.